This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Paige Coffman. Mid-entry home in the heart of Cross Lanes. Home being sold as is condition. New windows and exterior doors installed by Street. Albans Windows with lifetime guarantee. Garage door approximately 5 years old. Leaf filter system installed on gutters. HVAC system only 5 years old. Large backyard. Be a perfect fixer upper or flip. For more information, review the details below or contact Paige Coffman at 304-776-7653.